Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to add diamonds in Mobile Legends. To add diamonds in Mobile Legends, you can follow the simple steps I mentioned in the video. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add diamonds in Mobile Legends, then there are many ways you can do so. One of the first step you could follow is to participate in a diamond draw. At some point while playing, you might walk through the MLBB advertisement for a diamond draw that will return your diamond during the time period. You can simply participate in the diamond draw event and you might be able to receive some diamonds. The next thing you could do is to simply buy diamonds from your application. Tap on the diamond logo at the top right of the screen and you can go ahead and select the diamond packages you'd like to purchase and tap on it. Follow through the prompts till the end and enter your payment information and you'll be able to add diamonds on your game by simply purchasing them from your Mobile Legends game. Another way to get diamonds or add diamonds on your Mobile Legends is to take part in Lucky Spin feature. You can simply go ahead and tap on the shop icon at the top left and select the draw button. From the sub menu, tap on Lucky Spin. Go ahead and tap on the wheel and you'll be able to make a lucky spin. You'll need to pay for each spin, but there is a chance to win some diamonds if they are the part of the selection. You can also add diamonds to your Mobile Legends account by going and visiting the kodashop.com website and select the amount of diamonds you'd like to purchase. Those were some of the steps you could follow whenever you want to add diamonds in Mobile Legends. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.